In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a YouTube video to your page. Whether you're building a web page for a business, showcasing a personal project, or sharing educational content, embedding a video can enhance the visual appeal and provide additional context for your audience. Let's dive into the process. First, ensure you have the video you want to include already chosen on YouTube. Once you've selected the perfect video, copy the video URL from your browser's address bar. Just highlight the entire URL, right-click, and select Copy. This direct link is what you'll use to embed the video onto your page. Now navigate to your page editor where you intend to place the video. You'll want to access the toolbar or menu where you can add new elements. Look for the option that says Add or its equivalent, which typically allows you to include media or various components to your page. After you've clicked to open the Add menu, you'll likely see several options to choose from. Select Video from the available choices. This step filters the media options to those specific to video content, allowing you to narrow it down to the source you're using. Given the range of video platforms available today, you'll see different source options popping up. In this case, since you're working with a YouTube video, choose YouTube from the list. This selection ensures that the video you embed will display correctly and is optimized for streaming directly from YouTube. Once you've chosen the YouTube option, you should see a field prompting you to enter the video URL. Go ahead and paste the link you copied earlier into this space. It's a simple paste action, but this step is crucial as it tells the page which video to pull from the internet. If you've done this correctly, you should see a preview of the video appear. This preview confirms that the video has been recognized and is ready for placement. The final step involves placing the video on your page exactly where you want it. You should see a representation of the video within your editor workspace. Click and drag the video preview to your desired location on the page. As you drag, you might notice alignment tools or grid lines helping you place it perfectly, ensuring your page maintains its visual coherence. And that's it. With your YouTube video successfully embedded, your page now offers richer, more dynamic content for your visitors to enjoy. Remember, video content not only engages audiences, but also keeps